Assalamu alaikum students, hope so will be fine. Today we will revise the topic that is growth. Growth is also another life function that is performed by any living things. It means growth occurs both in animals and plants. All young living things grow. It means living things like animals and plants are usually small when they start life. They grow and become adult. At some stage when they become adults, they stop growing. For example, if we talk about the animals only grow until they reach a certain height. After that, they stop growing in case of animal. But in case of plants grow continuously throughout their lives. It means they produce or grow their new leaves, shoots and roots throughout their life. Some species grow more quickly than others. For example, most plants grow from seeds into seedling and after that into adult plants in very short time as compared to animals. A human baby takes over 20 years to grow to full size. Animals also grow during their lifetime, whether it is an increase in size or a change in shape. The growth of animals is more restricted as compared to plants. It means animals' growth stop after certain time of period. But in case of plants, they grow throughout their lives. Here some examples are given that shows growth in different animals and plants. If we talk about growth in snake, basically a young snake for the size of your finger can grow to become an adult over 2 meters long. A tiger takes a few years to reach full size. A bean plant takes a few weeks to grow to full size. A small seed takes years to grow into a tall tree. Basically, growth occurs in plants and also in animals. But growth occurs in animals and plants differently. Now we will discuss the concept check. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. First, all living things grow when they are young. Growth slows down and stops at some stage in adulthood. In case of the animals, the growth stops after they reach a certain height. But in case of plants, the growth slows down. But the plants continuously grow throughout their lives or produce their parts, for example leaves, roots and shoots. All living things move. Movement is called locomotion. Locomotion means move from one place to another, and locomotions occur basically in animals, not in plants. It uses up energy. Now we will discuss the question that is related to the topic, and here some important information is given. Question is that which body parts keep getting bigger throughout life? Ears and nose will keep getting bigger for the rest of life. It means in case of animals, some body parts like ears and nose will keep getting bigger throughout the life. Scientists recently calculated that a person's ears grow an average of 0.22 millimeter per year. Okay students, this is all about the growth. Hope so you will understand and differentiate between the growth of animal and plants. Thank you for listening.